Hi, I'm Dr. Harish. I'm a consultant general pediatrician and a consultant pediatric cardiologist practicing at Jaws Center, Bangalore. Bathing can be done 3 to 4 times a week, or sometimes it can be even done every day depending upon the mood of the baby, and if the baby is liking it, you can give it as needed. You can begin with using plain water, that is till the time the umbilical cord falls off, so which can be done by using a sponge bath or a wet cloth bath. Later, once the umbilical cord has fallen off, you can start using soap also, like baby shampoo and baby soap. Once the umbilical cord has fallen off, you can use mild baby soap to clean the skin and mild baby shampoo to clean the hair. And the shampoo can be used once or twice a week. Preferably, the bathing can be done like any time of the day, whenever the mother is comfortable, and preferably better to give it at least after 1 hour of baby's feed, because if the bathing is done immediately after feed, there is always a chance that the baby might vomit out. So you can use warm water, so it should neither be too cold nor too hot. And while cleaning the eyes, so make sure that you clean from the inner portion, that is from nose towards the outer side. And while cleaning the ear, you make sure that the water does not enter into the ears, and also do not use cotton buds to clean the ears. And take care of the neck portion, the underarm surface of the arms, and the skin folds across the arms, the thigh folds. So these are all the very sensitive area where there is a possibility that the skin might get damaged. So be gentle when you are handling around these areas, and the diaper areas also. So all these areas, whenever you are cleaning, so be very gentle across these areas. Once the bathing is done, so you dry the skin, and you can use moisturizing lotions or talcum powder depending upon the skin sensitivity of your baby.